And so if you are looking for an exceptional, newly built, less than 3 years young, single story in Clovis, California, do we have a listing for you? Well, hello, discerning home seekers. I'm Rufi, your luxury realtor for over 20 years, and today I am thrilled to unveil a property that truly redefines modern living. Imagine a life where every detail of your home reflects perfection, where modern comfort meets a vibrant community spirit. Well, welcome to 4030 San Jose Avenue here in Clovis. Meticulously crafted, a sanctuary here in Clovis, a brand new 2022 field, redefines luxury with my colleague Matt Sembre. But this isn't just about a beautiful home, it's about embracing an unparalleled lifestyle. Stick around, because after we explore this magnificent property, I'm going to share the top 10 undeniable reasons why moving to Clovis, California is the best decision you'll ever make. Of this home radiates true pride of ownership, designed for both daily living and long-term enjoyment. It's more than a house, it's a canvas for your ideal life. Now that you've had a little glimpse into the exquisite craftsmanship of this Clovis gem on 4030 San Jose, ready to discover why the location itself is just as captivating? Before we dive into the top attractions, let me just say, don't just dream of the Clovis lifestyle, live it. This exceptional property won't last, so contact myself or Matt Sembre. Here's our contact information for your private showing, and unlock the door to your next chapter of your life. Here are the top 10 attractions for moving to Clovis, California. Number 1, unmatched access to healthcare. One of the most valuable assets of living in Clovis is the peace of mind that comes with access to some of the highest quality healthcare facilities in the Central Valley. You'll have access to a network of top-tier hospitals and specialized centers, including Community Regional Medical Center, UCSF, St. Agnes Hospital, Kaiser Permanente, San Joaquin Valley Hospital, and the renowned orthopedic center, Sierra Pacific Orthopedic Center and Sports Medicine. From routine checkups to specialized care, the best medical minds are just minutes away. Number 2, educational excellence. Clovis Unified School District, over a 95% graduation rate, exceeding the national average. I want to mention Clovis North's recognition for not only athletics, also for jazz. Number 3, Fresno State University induction into the Pac-12. Highlight renowned programs such as agricultural science. The San Joaquin Valley supplies 25% of the world food. There's also the Doctorate of Physical Therapy, Masters in Athletic Training and Sports Medicine, Engineering, the Craig School of Business, and Nursing. Number 4, Economic Growth and Development. The Fresno View Yosemite National Airport, the $150+ million expansion, non-stop flights specific to Chicago, Dallas, Denver, Seattle, Las Vegas, Phoenix, and now San Diego. There's also a 4-story laser-guided 900-car parking structure adjacent to the airport. Number 5, retail powerhouses. The second largest Costco in the world is coming to Fresno. CJ Wilson's luxury dealership includes Porsche, BMW, Audi. Imagine cruising down Shaw Avenue in your luxury dream car. Golfing Paradise. Number 6, Bryson DeChambeau's 200-acre mega complex in combination of cooked land. Number 7, proximity to major destinations. Quick drives to the Bay Area and Disneyland. Weekends just got a whole lot more exciting. Number 8, culinary coffee scenes. Unique coffee shops in downtown Clovis, like Cup of Joy, On the Edge, Two Cities, The Other Side Cafe, Monkey Dog Coffee. Your morning brew perfected. Number 9, downtown Clovis charm. Antiques, iconic stores like Sasano's Menswear, Scoops and Soups, Papa's Place, Juju's, Trelio's, The Parisian, the Chico's, and Luna's Pizzeria, a place where history meets modern charm. And number 10, vineyards and wineries. It's got a competitive, great vineyards and wineries rivaling Sonoma, California. Experience world-class wines without the Sonoma price tag. So there you have it. Not only a home on 4030 San Jose that epitomizes the community and unparalleled craftsmanship, it boasts a lifestyle that can't be beat. This move-in ready sanctuary isn't just a house, it's your gateway to everything Clovis has to offer, from outdoor adventures in the Sierra foothills to the vibrant energy of Old Town. Don't miss the chance to own a home where every detail reflects quality and care. Embrace a lifestyle of comfort and community. Are you ready to start your next chapter in this truly exceptional property on 4030 San Jose? Don't wait. Contact myself or Matt. Here's our contact information to schedule your private showing. The Clovis lifestyle you've always dreamed of is just a call away. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more luxury listings, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on your next dream home. God bless.